This is a video from eSkills Zone. For more videos, notes, and certificates, please visit www.eskillszone.com.
Hello and welcome. Hi viewers. Today in this video we will learn use of logical operators in basic language. So first we will discuss that logical operators perform tests on multiple relations, bit manipulation, or Boolean operations. The logical operators return a bitwise result which is either true or false. In an expression, logical operations are performed after arithmetic and relational operations. Logical operators let us combine simple conditions to construct more complex ones. By condition, we mean an expression evaluating to true or false value. Logical X operators are used to make logical expressions logical operators are used for taking decisions depending upon some logical condition. Now we'll discuss types of some logical operators. Types of logical operators. There are three logical operators which are as following. Number 1 and number 2 or number 3 not. First we will discuss AND operator. And logical operator. Second one is OR logical operator, and the third one is NOT logical operator. So first we will discuss the AND logical operator. The logical AND operator, when combines two conditions, evaluates to true if both the conditions are true. Otherwise, it evaluates to false value. So, to get the true result, both the two or more than two conditions which are combining together must be true in order to get a true result. If we talk about the OR operator, the logical OR operator, when combines two conditions, evaluates to true if any one of the conditions is true. Otherwise, it evaluates to false value. So in order to get a true result in logical operator, either of the two condition must be true. But in the case of the logical operator, two or more than two conditions when you are combining together must be true in order to get a true result. Otherwise, it evaluates false value. But in case of the logical operator, when you combine two or more than two conditions, the result becomes true if any one of the condition becomes true. But if we talk about a not logical operator, let's discuss about it. The third logical not operator, when applied to a condition, reverse the result of the evaluation. It means that if the condition evaluates to true, the logical not operator evaluates to false and vice versa. So we will basically reverse the result of the evaluation. Like if the condition is true, it reverses the result and it makes the result as false. If the condition is false, then it reverses the result and the result will become true. In an expression, logical operations are performed after arithmetic and relational operations. So we have discussed three different logical operators today. The first one was the AND logical operator, second one is OR logical operator, third one is the NOT logical operator. So that's all for today, and thanks for watching my video.